Hi!
Hello!
By next month, it's already Valentine's Day. And happy
month of
February.
February, and it's love month.
I'm not ready yet, as you can see.
I was to ask him, are you ready? Kasi Valentine's Day na, and it's my birth month too. So I don't know if he's ready for those two. But anyway, we have prepared something easy and special for you, and something na okay sa bulsa. So you could celebrate Valentine's Day with your family or with your partner. Hello, welcome again to the vlog. So as promised, we're gonna show you something easy and something we learned actually ngayong pandemic. And the pandemic has taught us so many things. It's actually season of learning. We learn to bake our own bread, our own pandesal. We learn to make our own clothes, maybe own masks. We also explored on coffee, cheese, and a lot of many things. So when we had COVID, I browsed through, and also additional, we mastered on online shopping. So browsing through the online store, I have discovered this charcuterie board pack, and it is actually $1 to $2 cheaper in Walmart neighborhood compared to Target. So we got a good deal here kasi it has the crackers, the olives, the salami, the pepperoni, chocolate, and cheese on it already. And so we will need this, and the rest are just pangdagdag, what we would add that we already have in our pantry. Siguro mga tirang biscuit, tirang cookies, tirang chocolate. So we're just gonna be arranging them in a sangkalan or board. So charcuterie board, spell or pronounce charcuterie. Anyway, I just learned to pronounce it nung New Year's Day. We could make our own kakanin board, breakfast board, cheese board, or whatever board that you wanna be presenting or be serving. So for the purpose of this, we will have this kung ano meron kami. So let's do it. So this is not a sponsored vlog by Columbus Craft Meats. It just happened na they come up with this good idea, very good idea. Kasi tingnan nyo, meron na siyang lalagyan. So if you are to bring something sa potluck, very handy. Kasi arranged na siya. You don't need to arrange it if ever. And it costs $12.97 sa Walmart neighborhood. So just open it, and ayan na siya. Mukha siyang nasa board na. Or it's a plastic board. It looks like a wood board. But to make it even more special and with your touch, with your love, then it would be good to arrange it in a board. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. So we have our leftover fruit. We have our, buti may red kami. We should have fresh strawberries, pero we have leftover chocolates here and candies. Pistachio nuts kasi it's good with cheese and nuts. So, transfer muna natin to here. So, wash your hands or wear gloves. So with all that we have, I only have these 3 to make as my filling, and so matetest ang creativity ko dito. So it's time to lay out. We have to consider the space, the color. You can make flowers, pero with this kind of ano ba yan? Salami ba yan? Yeah, the salami. Makapal siya, so it's hard to do it. Let's just do it dark here, another dark here. Let's choose the hearts kasi Valentine's Day. So, maybe ito na lang. Red to red, but it's okay. Diba, parang nag-crowd ka lang ng ayan. Let's see what else we could put. There we go. So, here you go, our simple charcuterie board. My coworker did it really well. She has a lot of cheese and a lot of other stuff on it. She had jams. So, ayun. So, it depends on what you prefer to have in your board. And making this is an art. It would be good to drink it with wine. Pero we also discovered this nung New Year's Eve. This is a non-alcoholic red grape sparkling juice that Kayla liked. So, yun. We hope that you would have a very happy Valentine's Day celebration with your whoever you wanna celebrate it with. And you might be asking, how do you eat off from the charcuterie board? So you just however you want to do it, however you want to pronounce it, and then however you want to be eating from it. Some would use toothpick as a serving tool, or you could have small plates, but since it's just me and BG and plus Kayla, kakamayin na lang namin. Happy Valentine's!
Hi!
Hello!